Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Trust you guys are doing good. So today's video we are going to be unboxing. So I ordered from juicer from Temu and it arrived today. So I would like you guys to join me. Let's unbox this parcel. Yeah, and also this is my first time of ordering electronics online. So we are going to see and know if it works good or not. Okay. If today is the first time of joining us, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime any video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So guys, join me. Let's unbox this parcel together. So guys, here is the parcel. You can see Hilton slow juicer. Okay, that's the juicer. Hope you guys can see it. All right, so that is it. Everything is still sealed. You can see it. We are going to be unboxing this juice together. Let's see how it's gonna be. So here's my knife. Let's go in. Let's unbox. They seal it very well. Oh, wow. Let's see how it's gonna be. So I have to be careful so that if I'm not satisfied, I can return it back. Oh yeah. This is the manual. This is the manual. Yeah. Let's open. Wow, it's like it's giving me, almost giving me what I want. Can you guys see? I'm so happy. I've been longing to have this juice presser. Luckily, I saw when the discount was so perfect, so I said let me give it a try. I've been seeing it online. So the shape, the color, can you guys see? So let's keep unboxing. I believe this is the machine. I believe this is the machine. Woo! Let's bring everything out. You can see it. Still remaining for maintenance also. Here is the machine. Yeah, I believe this is where you'll be adding the, what is it called, the apple or anything that you want to blend. So for now, I cannot fix it for now. So I'm going to read the manual and see how to fix the machine. All right, now that you have seen the blender, hope you love it. For me, I love the blender. Not blender, sorry. I love the juicer. All right, stay tuned guys. Later I'm going to show you guys how it functions, if it gives us what we really want. So I'm going to be using some pineapple and other fruits. Okay, so keep watching and let's get started. Let's go guys. So guys, I'm done setting up the machine, okay, the slow juicer that we bought. So I'm going to take you guys to the kitchen so that we can juice some apple juice and see how the machine goes, if it really gives me what I want. I really need a juice that can, separate the chaff and squeeze out the juice out from the fruits or whatever that I'm going to be using it for. Okay, so come with me, let's go to the kitchen and let's test this together. So guys, that's the juicer. You can see everything is well set, and it has two jug, a small and a big one. So you set it here. I really love this machine, honestly. I really love it. I've not tested it, but let's do it and see together. So we are going to be juicing some apple. You can see it, right? So I'm done cutting and washing the apples. So let's juice it together and see. So I'm adding in the apples. Let's see. Here is for the juice, and here is where the chaff is going to be coming out from. So let me on it now. Let's see how it's gonna be. Can you guys see it? Make sure you cut whatever you're adding. Yeah, if you want to make ice, it's having three filter or so. Filter, yeah, the one for machine, the one for ice. And also, if you love your juice, if you want to be seeing chaff in your juice, you can also use the other one for it. So I would like you guys to test this together with me. This is my first time ordering electronics online. I started with Temu. I recommend this. And the sound too is very good. I think we're done. It also have revise. I've done the revise. So we are done. Okay, we are done. So let's open it. Yeah, this is the main thing This is the main reason why I wanted new juicer. Yeah, you can confirm yourself. It squeezed out everything. I'm so glad to have this juicer, you can see. But the other machine that I'm having, after squeezing out the juice, you will still be seeing, it will be watering. You will, it will be a double work for you to start using your cheese bag. Yeah, to repeat it again, you felt that there is still juice in there. Okay, but just take a look at this one. Oh, I really so guys, we are done, and you have seen, you have confirmed, right? So here is a pure 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 apple juice. Pure apple juice, no preservative, no sugar, nothing is added here. This is pure. That is it. Let's drink together. This is confirmed apple juice, no chaff. It filtered it very well. So guys, go get yours if you are not having one. All right, bye, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I love you guys. See you guys in our next one. Bye.